a bad situation bring out the worst in you. Choose to stay positive and be the strong person that God created you to be. We often generate fears while we sit, and we overcome them by the action. The greatest prison people live in is the fear of what other people think. So come out of the prison and work for your dreams. Actually, there are no secret to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Life doesn't give you what you want, it gives you what you work for. So start working for what you want to be. Ships don't sink because of water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. Don't let what's happening around you get inside you and weigh you down. For an example, don't choose your career just because the rest are choosing it and regret for later half of your life. Rather, choose your career that you want to be. Do not get upset with people or situations. Both are powerless without your reaction. Unfortunately, this is the attitude that is missing in most of us. What you can do is to learn from that failure to prevent it from happening again. If so, then it is okay to fail. Instead of thinking, why is this happening? Try thinking, what is this teaching me? Strength isn't about how much you can handle before you break. It's about how much you can endure after you have been broken. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. It's never too late for a new beginning in your life. Perfection is found in accepting your imperfections. A child asked God, if everything is already written in destiny, then why should I wish? God smiled and said, maybe on some pages I have written as you wish. Allow yourself to be a beginner. No one starts off being excellent. Push harder than yesterday if you want a different tomorrow. Be bold when you lose. Be calm when you win. Changing the face can change nothing, but facing the change can change everything. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. You learn more from failure than from success. Don't let it stop you. Failure builds character. God didn't promise a life without pain, struggles, and hardships. He promised to give you strength to get through them. Keep doing your best every day, and if no one is proud of you, be proud of yourself. You can't undo the moves, but you can make the next step better. The quality of your thinking determines the quality of your life. Be optimistic. Think that great things are coming. No matter where you are currently going through, think there's so much to look forward to. A positive attitude causes a chain reaction of positive thoughts, events, and outcomes. It is a catalyst and it sparks extraordinary results. The only way you see results is if you stay consistent. Support, encourage, and admire anyone who is trying to better themselves. We need more encouragers. We already have way too many critics. Just because you took longer than others doesn't mean you failed. Remember that. One change, one small change, that's all it takes for you to change your life. Growth is uncomfortable because you have never been here before. You have never seen this version of you. So give yourself a little grace and breathe through it. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moments of your life. Keep going. Tough situations build strong people in the end. The only person you should compare yourself to is the person who you were yesterday. Mindset is what separates the best from the rest. If we don't change, we don't grow. If we don't grow, we aren't really living. Be strong, you never know who you are inspiring. A door is much smaller compared to the house. A lock is much smaller compared to the door. And a key is the smallest of all. But a key can open entire house. Thus, a small and thoughtful solution can solve major problems. Every next level of your life will demand a different version of you. For more inspiration and to surround yourself with the positive thoughts, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please click the like button and don't forget to comment the positive mantra which you like the most.